In setting up your application, there are a number of assumptions you have to take into account. Firstly, there is only one basic ticket price per flight, which everyone is given irrespective of their personal circumstances. So every flight has only one ticket price. This should be shown on its own in your application and should be on the same spreadsheet where you will keep the passenger information. Set it up to look similar to this screen. And remember to name the spreadsheet and try to format the look of the spreadsheet the way you would like it to look. Now we're going to look at the first set of rules that Helpless Airlines applies, and it is their age rules, which are quite generous. The rules are fairly simple. If the person's age is less than 2 years, then they get a set $40 off the ticket price. If their age is equal or older than 2, but less than 12, they're entitled to a 50% discount off the basic ticket price. If they are between 12 and 16 inclusive, they're entitled to a 15% discount off the basic ticket price. Otherwise, they don't get any discount. Now remember that your task is to implement the rules in such a way that any change to the rule table will be reflected in the results from your formulae. So you should be able to change any of the information on the table, change the age ranges for the discounts, change the amount of the discounts, and so on. And they should be automatically reflected in the results that you get from your formulae. When you believe that you have a working solution, one that has been fully tested, then have a look at my lecture which explains my approach to this particular problem. You might want to try this in 2 stages. The first stage, you can hard code the values into a formula using nested ifs. And then, if you can get that working, try the rules table. Now, the rules table will require you to think quite carefully about how you set it up. And remember that the objective is that your sole employee should be able to change any of the rules on the table, and it should automatically be reflected in the answers that you get on your spreadsheet. So, for example, if they decide to change the age ranges from 11 to 18 rather than the way it is at the moment, and they might want to change the discount rate from 50 to 65 and so on. So you should be able to change any of the information on the table, and it should work automatically in the spreadsheet.